Hi guys, it's Valentina. I'm volunteer for Save Cats and Dogs and Other Animals from kill shelters in the US since 2011. And today I have an important message for you. So I wrote everything as not to forget anything. Let's start. On Thursday, June 17th at 2:30 p.m. will be the free rally for the rescues at City Council meeting. 114 W Commerce Street, San Antonio, Texas. This is the message from the organizer of the protest. San Antonio Rescue Coalition is actively trying to bring change to San Antonio, but the more voices and minds we have, the better. We are actively working with the interim director of shelter to make necessary changes to become a no-kill city. But we need people to be active. We need people to actually do something and not just post it on social media. Networking is a big way to help, don't get me wrong, but until we take action, nothing is going to change. We are having a protest on June 17 at the first City Council meeting to inform them that we are no longer asking for change. We are demanding it. Check the Facebook link in video description below this video. The many years of killing of healthy and adoptable animals must come to an end. We have tried asking for change to no avail, so now we are demanding it. The new city council needs to know that the rescue community will not stop until we have been able to adopt the no-kill equation in the city of San Antonio to save lives of healthy and adoptable pets. We will be loud. We will speak for all of those animals that couldn't and can't speak for themselves. We will come together as a community to better these animals' lives. Please join us to make our voices heard and listened to by our city council representatives. And in the end, I remind you my petition I've started 2 months ago addressed to President Biden to ban kill shelters in the US. You can find my petition in Linktree in my Instagram bio, Valentina_unlimited. My Instagram is in this video descriptions below this video. So please sign this petition, share this petition, and please join this protest in San Antonio, Texas on June 17th. Info in descriptions. Thank you so much.